Neville Goddard, what life lessons can we learn from this unconventional genius? Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to talk about Neville Goddard and the life lessons we can learn from his teachings. Neville Goddard was a spiritual teacher and author who believed in the power of the human imagination to create reality. In this video, we will explore some of his key teachings and how they can help us in our own lives. 1. Your imagination is a powerful tool. Neville Goddard believed that our imagination is the key to creating our reality. He taught that by visualizing our desired outcomes, we can manifest them into reality. For example, if you want to become a successful writer, you can use your imagination to visualize yourself as a successful writer. You can see yourself sitting at your desk, typing away on your computer, and receiving positive feedback from your readers. 2. Your beliefs shape your reality. Neville Goddard believed that our beliefs have a direct impact on our experiences. He taught that we need to examine our beliefs and challenge any negative or limiting beliefs that are holding us back. For example, if you believe that you are not good enough to succeed, you may not take the necessary steps to achieve your goals. However, if you challenge this belief and replace it with a positive belief, such as I am capable of achieving my goals, you may be more motivated to take action. 3. Take responsibility for your life. Neville Goddard believed that we are responsible for our own lives and that we have the power to create the life we want. He encouraged people to take ownership of their thoughts and actions and to make conscious choices that align with their desired outcomes. For example, if you want to improve your health, you can take responsibility by making healthier choices such as exercising regularly and eating a balanced diet. 4. Gratitude is key. Neville Goddard believed that gratitude is an important part of creating a positive mindset. He encouraged people to focus on what they are grateful for and to express gratitude for the good things in their life. For example, you can make a list of things you are grateful for each day or express gratitude for your loved ones, your health, and the opportunities in your life. 5. Trust in the universe. Neville Goddard believed that the universe is always working in our favor and that we need to trust in its guidance. He taught that we should have faith in the universe and believe that everything will work out for our highest good. For example, if you are facing a difficult situation, you can trust that the universe is guiding you towards a positive outcome and have faith that everything will work out in the end. In conclusion, that's it for today's video. We hope you found this information helpful and that you can apply some of Neville Goddard's teachings to your own life. Remember, your imagination is a powerful tool, your beliefs shape your reality, take responsibility for your life, express gratitude, and trust in the universe. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.